There we go. All right, Doc, what's up with the palm tree?
It symbolizes warmer weather.
Gotcha.
Winter.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we all know Georgia can be weird, and I guess it's getting you to think ahead of warmer weather, summer. It's around the corner, right?
Yeah, get in shape for the next bathing suit season.
I hear you. Wanted to talk to you guys about our seminar we have coming up February 2nd that we feel like is none other than
Healthy lifestyle workshop.
It's none other than none like the others, right? That's not the same.
Nothing you've ever said.
It's nothing you've ever been involved with or whatever. But yeah, I mean, it's a star-studded lineup. It's from 7 to 12, and it's going to start with a talk from you, right?
Right. And we're going to talk about gut health, leaky gut, maintaining a normal weight, and a healthier version of you.
So I feel like this talk's going to be really big for you guys. It's going to get you to think outside the box when it comes to nutrition. We're going to talk about things that most people aren't talking about. So that's been pretty cool. We're going to follow it up with a killer workout from Coach Brent from 8 to 9, and then we're going to do some yoga, right?
Yoga after that with Claire, and then a cooking class with Hannah. And every stage of the game, the staff's going to be hopefully interacting and educating our participants.
So if you're looking for education, if you're looking for a fun thing to do on a Saturday and leave with some take-home points to help living a better lifestyle, this workshop's for you. It's February 2nd from 7 to 12, like we said. We'll leave the link to sign up in the description somewhere or in the comments. It's only $40, so we'd love to see you there. Sweet. That'll work.